today we are in the nursery. We are going to be putting up wallpaper on this wall. So if you follow me on Instagram, several months ago, I painted the other walls of the nursery white. This is like, I don't know, rental yellow. That's not cute. So I got some wallpaper that we're gonna be putting up today. And I'm so excited because it's really gonna transform the room and really pull in my, yes dear. Yeah, I put the kid in the crib, he's not really happy. But it's really gonna transform the room and bring to life the like safari slash elephant theme that I had in mind. Here's what the wallpaper looks like. I brought pre-pasted wallpaper, so like you spray it first. And I bought 2 different rolls. I hope that's enough. I did measure it properly, I think so. It's just so pretty. I'm really excited to see it. Dear! I'm really excited to see it on the wall. Okay, actually before I start, I feel like every time I make a video, someone's like, where do I get that in Kenya? I did not get this in Kenya. My mom came to visit and so she brought it with her. So yeah, I could not find like animal print or safari themed wallpaper here in Kenya. So I ordered it from the US and I brought it. So I do not know where to get this in Kenya. I am sorry. But I went to Builders actually this morning and they have an assortment of wallpaper. So if you're looking for wallpaper, you can find some there. I'm sure there are tons of other people who sell wallpaper in Kenya. I just don't know. This is the one that I wanted and that I got and that I needed. All right. So here are some of the supplies that we're going to be using for this project. We have our wallpaper. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, we found this wallpaper hanging set at Builders in Karen, but you can probably find it on Amazon if you're in the States. So it comes with a brush. It comes with a, I don't know the technical names for these things, so sorry in advance, but it comes with this like blade thing, and it comes with this roller tool, and this is for smoothing out the edges. And we have a pair of scissors to cut, you know, the size that we need. We also have a spray bottle. We also have a pencil. I only have colored pencils. And this is a tape measure and a laser level. Where's the laser? Bam, a laser level at the same time. So those are all of our supplies. We almost didn't have enough, but what we've done, each roll was like 3.5 panels. So we did another half panel to match this one, and then did 1 roll and another 2 rolls, and now the remainder from the top of that roll is going to fill in over here. So it's a little bit of math and geometry, but we're making it work. We are making it work. We're going to make the most of all of these rolls. We're done. It looks so good. I can't. I waited for this for so long and I'm almost like changed my mind and canceled and returned it because I wasn't sure my mom was gonna be able to come and bring it and it was too expensive to ship. But it was all worth all of the stress and all of the wait because it is finally here and is absolutely gorgeous. So here's what the wall looks like once the dresser was moved back. It's just so beautiful. I love all of the details. I love the scale of the pattern. Yo, this wall was so boring and so plain before, and now it is absolutely stunning. So I will be posting a full nursery tour on the blog very soon, so you guys can see that as well. I hope that you enjoyed our little DIY nursery wallpaper adventure. Thanks for watching.